last ride before I head out to Morocco on Friday with Alex. So T-minus 2 days. Just did a beautiful cycle ride up onto Cleve with a G-loaded bike, which felt amazing. I felt really fit, although I'm not going to feel like that. I've got about, I don't know, 10 kilos extra kit on the bikes. Also, the weather's gone chilly. I think last year it was about 19 degrees at this time of year, and now it feels like it's barely above 5 degrees. And in Morocco it's currently, in Marrakech, 38 degrees. So it's going to be a bit of a shock to the system, but really excited to get out there. Looking forward to it. T-minus 1 day. And we're currently trying to get the bikes in the bike boxes. And I've managed to round off the torque screw in my disc rotor. There.
State of that.
Eventually, after the bit of drama, we managed to remove the torque screw, and we both had to deflate our tyres due to the tyres being gravel tyres and not fitting in the road bike boxes. And by this point, it was about 11 o'clock at night. We were both pretty tired and grumpy, and we knew that we needed to get up early for the next day to catch the flight. We did weigh the bike boxes, and they were a little heavy, but we just hoped that no one would check. It is day one. We have just arrived at Gatwick after a late night fixing the bikes last night with some issues that we didn't really expect.
How many stop bolts? 3?
No, 1.
Well, pedals count.
And pedal, surely. Yeah. Well, 2. 2 then.
3.
3. All right, first argument of the trip. And I just paid a tenner for a croissant and a sausage roll. Hopefully it'll get cheaper from here. But check-in was smooth. Hopefully
Gatwick.
Yeah, to be fair, and EasyJet.
10 minutes all in.
Yeah, that's pretty good. And hopefully that sets the tone for the rest of the journey now that we've ironed out all our...
Smooth.
Yeah. All our issues last night. And I didn't check the weight, so hopefully they don't check it. And that's my sandwich, so I'm going to sign off here. Just made it to our Riyadh and a very sweaty car journey, but the bikes made it. Expensive, yeah, very expensive, sweaty car journey. And we're just building the bikes. Alex has opened the box and so far so good. I've yet to open mine, so wish me luck. But yeah. Following building our bikes, we then left the riad in search for dinner. This would be our first taste of life in Morocco. After looking around Gemma Elfina Square and the madness that ensued with snake charmers, dancers and various other performing acts, we settled down at a popular looking restaurant to have our first tagine. Later, after speaking to the owner, we'd find out that this was actually a fast food restaurant that specialised in shawarma, and actually lots of the people sitting down eating were not eating tagine. Anyways, we had to kick it off, and that was our first tagine of the trip. I'd give it a solid 4.5 out of 10. So, end of day one in Marrakech.
Made it.
We made it. It was a good day. We went round the Ghervia Mosque and Gemma Elfina and Tell site and ate some good tagine in a fast food restaurant. But yeah.
Tourist special.
Huh?
The tourist special.
Oh, the tourist special. But Alex says that I can't sign out with but yet, so I think the whole ending of these short videos will be but yeah.
Alright.
So
But yeah.
on that note, see you tomorrow. But yeah.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.